Hey guys, welcome to this iPhone tutorial, and here I'll detail how to turn on or turn off low data mode on iPhone. So this works on all iPhone, whether you're using iPhone with a Touch ID or you're using iPhone with a Face ID. You can easily turn on low data mode to reduce your iPhone data consumption. So if you're not of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to turn on or turn off low data mode on iPhone, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. While on the settings page, locate mobile service and click on that, or click on cellular service. This depends on your location. So just go ahead and click on mobile service or cellular service. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and click on mobile service. Now once you selected that, come here and click on mobile data options. So select that under mobile service. Then locate and click on data mode. Now once you click on data mode, then you should say standard, low data mode, as well as allow more data on 5G. So go ahead and select low data mode. Now, once you selected low data mode, this is going to enable low data mode on your iPhone, and this is going to reduce your data consumption on your device. So that's basically how you can turn on low data mode. Now to turn it off, come here, select standard or choose allow more data on 5G, and then that is going to disable or turn off the low data mode on your iPhone. So that is basically how to turn off or turn on low data mode on iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.